basil, chamomile, blue algae, humectants, which hydrate the skin. These are ingredients that can also smooth the skin, are anti-inflammatory, help with pigmentation. These are important ingredients to take care of the skin as you're applying your makeup. I really love Luminous Silk by Luminous Air. I use it myself, and I really feel confident recommending it to my patients.
Say bye-bye to old-fashioned makeup and hello flawless with Luminous Silk. We are celebrating almost 25 years of making women beautiful, and we've got big news. We are thrilled to introduce you to the all-new 5th generation Luminous. This is our most luxurious, best system ever. Today, you can be one of the first to experience the all-new Silk system during the limited time introduction sale. Right now, you can try Luminous Silk for just